What I have here is a 6-year-old battery, and I'm going to go and show you. I'm going to test it. It is kind of low on the cold cranking amps and everything. It says on the battery tester here to replace it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hook it up to these new kind of battery chargers with the repair the battery on there, and it'll send a strong current through it and then help break up the sulfification that is on the battery and hopefully rejuvenate it, so we might get a little more time out of it, possibly a year or two. Okay, it says the health of the battery is at 40% with 465 cold cranking amps. Recommends replacement. We'll go and see if we can get that back to closer to 700. Okay, before we start the repair process, if you have a battery that has these covers on there, what we're going to do is take distilled water, and only distilled water. We're going to gently pry these caps up and then top off the cells in here with distilled water. You're going to want to wear some eye protection there and some old clothes, because if anything splashes on there, there is going to be holes eaten in your clothing. So what you're going to do is just dribble a little water in there until it looks like a little bullseye. You don't fill it all the way to the top. That's good. And we'll go ahead and replace our cap here. Okay, so what we're going to do is hook our little battery charger up here with the repair mode. The red on the positive here, and the black on the negative. And we'll plug it in and turn it on. This is going to take several hours, might even take a day. Okay, I have it on the repair mode. We'll give it a few hours here and we'll check on it in a little bit. Okay, I left that run overnight, so I'm going to go ahead and see how well it did on our battery here. Hook up our tester, see how well it did. Okay, it rejuvenated 7%. It still says replace. After I had was running it for a little while, it said it was low on charge. I would say if your battery is not as old as this one, it'll probably do pretty well.